No one likes making a new resume. With now over 30 million Americans currently unemployed, chances are you're probably already in the throes of looking for a new job, or at least starting to think about it. Even if you're gainfully employed right now, it's not a bad idea to start planning ahead before you're in a state of panic. On the bright side, as much as resume writing sucks, the coronavirus pandemic and your response as a worker can open up new ways to show off your skills and prove why you are the best candidate for a job. Here are 5 ways to do just that. Number 1, prove that you're essential. COVID-19 has forced many of us to adapt to new situations on the fly, with rapidly changing directions and longer hours. Is this ideal? No. But it is something that employers are going to look at very favorably. For example, if you've had to adjust to working from home, you can showcase how productive you've been by setting daily, measurable goals for yourself. That way, when you need to showcase what you've accomplished, you already have your own measurements to look back on in sight. Number 2, reframe your skills to meet new demands. Take some time to reflect on the work that you've done and how those skills you've acquired can apply to other industries and other roles. Just because most of your experience is in retail doesn't mean you can't apply for a desk job in sales or vice versa. But you do need to prove that the transition will be smooth sailing. Number 3, pick up some new knowledge. There are loads of free online resources for learning new subjects and applicable job skills. Figure out what skills companies are hiring for and take some courses if you can. No matter what industry you're in, now is a great time to learn how to move up in it. Having even a little inside knowledge can give you a leg up on your resume and during the interview process. Number 4, get digital. Have you checked out your online presence lately? Now is a great time to reflect on your social media habits, who you follow, and think about what needs to be updated. Yes, that includes LinkedIn, especially if your career information is out of date or mostly empty. Now is an especially great time to be active on LinkedIn because people are spending more time online. Don't be afraid to reach out to people in an industry you'd like to work in or who hold positions that you'd like to have one day. Number 5, make multiple resumes. If spring 2020 was going to be the time you finally made that new career move or launched your dream coffee shop / jewelry making boutique, this moment in time probably feels like a giant slap in the face. Obviously, your top priority should be taking care of you and your family's needs, but there's no reason to give up on what drives you. That's why you should take the time to create 2 or 3 different resume templates tailored to different job titles and levels of expertise. One can be for fallback jobs, another for jobs that are at least a step up, and another for your dream position. Regardless of whether an open position is your personal creme de la creme or just something that puts food on the table in the meantime, you can cover all of your bases while continuing to work towards a better future. And when an opportunity comes knocking, you'll be prepared. Go to money.com/stimulus for more on Money's coronavirus coverage. Also, click the link below. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any more questions about perfecting your resume, leave it in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and share this video.